Hi guys, Sam here from Landscape Plus. Today we are going to take a quick look at some IN-LITE installation accessories. First of all, we're going to take a look at 3 items that every single project I'm working on, I make sure I include them in any quote I'm doing. First one is the extension cord. Now it might seem really basic, but actually you've got nice thin ends on that one. So any wall mounted fitting that you're going to have to take a cable up to, instead of having to have the EZ-LOCK connector visible or hidden away somewhere, you can keep that one at ground level and then take your extension cable up the wall or up onto a pergola. Much easier to hide out the way. That's available in 1 meter, 2 meter or 3 meter options. And then in a very similar way to the EZ-LOCK connector, we've got the CC2. Now we've done a separate video all about this one, but it's perfect for if you need to spur your cable off. So if you're going around a perimeter and you want to bring a cable into a central point, you can use this one to do just that. Last one is splitters. So once you've taken your EZ-LOCK connector off of your main cable, you can pop your splitter onto there, giving you either 2 or 3 outlets. If you've got lights grouped together, it means you've only got to do 1 main connection, making it even quicker to install. Next up, most projects we look at have spike lights of some description within them. Now the scope range from IN-LITE is a fixed spike light, so you can't adjust the height of it, but you can use these risers. So that one there is a fixed riser, screws into a standard scope spike, just gives you a little bit more height. So if you're looking to uplight something, say a peach tree, but it's within a planting bed, this brings the light that little bit higher so that you're not sort of catching any shadows. Or you have this riser, which has got an adjustment through the middle of it so that you can sort of telescopic rise that one. Again, really, really good just for if the planting's beneath something you're trying to light up. Next up, sticking with the scopes, we have the tree attachment here. So it comes with a rubber band to go around the tree so you don't have to fix into the tree, you're not going to harm it at all. This one then just clips into the back of here. The box tightens up over the front of it, holding in place, and then you can pop that one straight around the tree. Again, you can attach any of the scope range to that one, to any of the spike lights. Moving on to recessed light fittings. Now, most of the brands that we do, recessed light fittings you get with a standard mounting canister. IN-LITE you can do that, that's absolutely fine, but they also do canisters for soft ground, which means that you can use any of their recessed lights within soft ground, a couple of different size options there. Or you can use the box there. So if you're surface mounting or if you're going into gravel or something like that, to stop the light fitting twisting and turning, you can pop it into the box there. It drops in so you still see the bezel. Yeah, really, really handy for sort of loose gravel, that sort of stuff. Whilst we're looking at a recess fitting, all of the IN-LITE fittings come bare, as we would call it. So you don't get a bezel, or you get an option not to have a bezel, and then you can pick from a number of different colors. So we've got stainless steel, black on the ring 68s there, or you can put a square plate on those ones there. So again, we've got black, stainless steel, or pearl gray. So that one would pop onto there, and then it can sit within a box or into a mounting canister as well. And those are also available for the tiny little ring 28. So the much smaller fittings, little dots, that sort of stuff. Number of different fittings available. Any questions, give our team a quick call, but hopefully those will just make your next installation that bit easier.